Hey guys, good morning. We're out today flying the Hobby King Hawker Tempest 800mm warbird. If you see my video of the P51, very similar to that. I don't have 1000 milliamp 2-cell, and my 3 cells are on order. So what I decided to do is I would added some weight to the front of the plane, recheck center of gravity. So let's do some flying. Okay guys, so I had a successful flight. It looks like this plane actually flies better when it's not in the beginner mode. When I flipped it out of the beginner mode and went into the expert mode, it flew so much better. I was able to roll it, loop it, fly inverted, things like that. It flew more like a scale plane. The extra weight I added up front did help a little bit, but in the beginner mode, the stabilization, it's just twitchy and I'm not sure what's going on with that. So my P51 in the beginner mode flies like it's on rails, but this plane for some reason the nose wants to keep pitching up, so I don't know if I have to adjust the gyro or recalibrate it. Maybe that's all I have to do to set it up, because it's just not performing like it should. I think in the beginner mode it's very pitchy, nose up, But again, out of the beginner mode, it flies great in the advanced mode. So thanks for watching, guys. If you are not subscribers to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscription button below. That way, like all my other followers, you'll know when I'm posting new content here on my YouTube channel. And if you're a mobile user, please click the little bell notification, so when I do my uploads weekly, you'll be notified. So I appreciate you guys, all my subscribers. Thanks for following me on my journey, just flying planes and having fun. Get out and fly something, stay safe, do that. But I'm on my way home to upload this video. And again, guys, thanks for subscribing. More cool content coming. Tall Guys RC signing out.